Bad financial news in Puerto Rico just got a lot worse. I'm Jack Otter, editor of BARRON'S.com. I'm here with Andrew Bary, associate editor at the magazine, and one of the very first people to alert the market that there were serious problems in Puerto Rican bonds almost 2 years ago. Andrew, what's the latest news?
Well, the latest news is a big development. The government of Puerto Rico is signaling that the Commonwealth wants to restructure all of its debts, and that's a big change from the prior position, which was that they did not want to default on any of their major obligations.
So you warned about this, I think it was August of 2014.
Actually 2013.
2013, excuse me, yes. So you were way ahead, but you know, the market has priced this in, the price of the bonds fell, the yields went up. So I kind of thought, okay, that's the story, now they'll crawl out. Why the sudden surprise?
Well, I mean, I think that the bonds were not fully pricing in the risk that basically is now apparent. The bonds are down about 10-15% today, which signals that people are expecting that Puerto Rico may demand or seek, very substantial concessions from bondholders in any restructuring talks.
And this is a big deal because of the tax treatment of Puerto Rico bonds. They were very widely held by bond mutual funds. People thought these things were safe. They weren't that safe. Did enough funds divest themselves of Puerto Rican bonds, or are a lot of people getting bad surprises in their statements?
I mean, I think we'll see tomorrow just how widespread the holdings were of Puerto Rican debt. But a number of fund companies like Oppenheimer and Franklin have been sizable holders of Puerto Rican debt, plus some funds run by UBS.
So how does this all play out?
It's tough to really tell, but it looks like Puerto Rico may be taking a very hard line with the bondholders. They feel that their economy is in dire straits, and they really need substantial debt relief to really turn it around. So there's no easy mechanism for resolving the situation.
So obviously some contrarians are wondering, is this a buying opportunity, 12% yields? I suspect you're going to say don't bite?
We'd still stay clear of the bonds right now. I think things could get worse, and we just don't know how tough a stance Puerto Rico is going to take. Plus, I'm not quite sure what kind of protections bondholders have if Puerto Rico really wants to get tough.
Nice yields, but you might not get your money back.
Well, I mean, you won't get a lot of your money back. You probably get something. The question is how much.
Thanks very much, Andrew.